Hello everybody, welcome to another exciting story on our channel Gap Languages. In today's video we dive into a funny tale about a clever dog and two curious kids. This story will not only make you smile but also teach you a lesson about unexpected surprise. But wait, there is more. If you're looking to learn Farsi, Dari, English, Pashto or Uzbek, we've got you covered. Visit our website at www.gaplanguages.com to explore our online lessons tailored just for you. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your skills, our expert instructors are here to guide you every step of the way. Start your language learning journey today. If you enjoy stories like this, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support and make sure to subscribe for more fun and engaging content. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you amazing videos every day. Now let's jump into the story and see what happens when a smart dog turns into a little troublemaker. سلام دوستای عزیز، خوش آمدین به یکی از قصه های دیگر گپ لنگویجز. این قصه درباره یک سگ هوشیار است. This story is about a clever dog. این قصه درباره یک سگ هوشیار است. در تصویر اول میبینیم که دو بچه است. چند تا بچه است در تصویر اول؟ In the first picture در تصویر اول دو بچه است. بچه که در سرش کلاه داره میگه بیبی که سگ ما چقدر هوشیار است. بچه که در سرش کلاه است, the boy who is wearing a hat, what does he say? چی میگه؟ بیبی که سگ ما چقدر هوشیار است. See, my dog is very clever. هوشیار here it means clever. او بچه از داخل زباله‌دانی یک بوت کهنه سیاه را میگیره. So that boy, او بچه چی میکنه؟ What does he do? او بچه از داخل زباله‌دانی is the way trash bin or trash can. از داخل زباله‌دانی یک بوت کهنه سیاه را میگیره. He takes a old black shoes و میخواه او را در بین درختها و بوتها بیندازه. And he wants to throw و او میخواه او در بین درختها between the trees و بوتها is bushes. bush درخت is trees. میخواه بندازه is like throws. و سگ ای بچه هم منتظر است صاحبش چی میکنه. And the owner of the dog is waiting what he does. Like the dog is just waiting. فقط منتظر است like he's waiting. او بچه خم میشه. He bends over. خم شدن از he bends over. خم میشه و بوت کهنه را میگیره. And he takes the old shoes. و در تصویر دوم میبینیم بوت در بین درختها قلاچ میکنه. In the second picture we see he قلاچ میکنه. Here it means قلاچ کردن is the infinitive. قلاچ میکنه. He throws the shoe in the trees. قلاچ میکنه و سگ بچه پشت بوت میره. And the boy's dog chases the shoe. پشتش میره like he goes after the shoe. و میخواه بوت پیدا کرده بیاره. And he wants to find the boot or the shoe and bring it. و این بچه هم سر سگ خود باور داره و فکر میکنه او بوت پیدا کرده برش میاره. و این بچه سر سگ خود باور داره. So he believes in his dog or he trusts that و فکر میکنه and he thinks او بوت را پیدا کرده برش میاره. That the dog would bring the shoe. پیدا کرده it means to find. برش میاره to bring it. Find it and bring it. Okay, now let's go to the next picture. در تصویر سوم میبینیم. So in the third picture we see که سگ یک بوت را گرفته میآوره. And he brings a shoe. این بچه برای دوستش میگه. And the boy says to his friend, میگه سایل کو اونه سگم پس بوت آورد. You see, he pass over is like brought it back. Pass over. سگ من خیلی هوشیار است. هوشیار و هرچی بگویم همو کار انجام داده میتونه. And whatever I say he does that thing. So سگ من خیلی هوشیار است. My dog is very clever. و هرچی بگویم همو کار انجام داده میتونه. And he can do whatever I say. اما در تصویر چهارم میبینیم که سگ یک بوت سفید آورده. اما در تصویر چهارم میبینیم سگ یک بوت سفید آورده. He brought, in the fourth picture we see he brought a white shoes. بوتی که او بچه در بین بوته ها و درخت ها انداخته بود یک بوت کهنه و سیاه بود. So the shoe he threw into the tree and bushes, it was what? کهنه و سیاه بود. It was a black and old shoe. ای خو یک بوت نو است. This is a new shoe. Okay. بچه حیران میمانه و دوستش خنده میکنه. The boy surprises و دوستش خنده میکنه and his friend laughs و میگه and says سگت یک بوت نو آورده. Your dog brought a new shoes. در او طرف میبینیم we see on the other hand در او طرف on the other side میبینیم که یک مرد دویده میایه. The man chases or comes in rush و میگه بوت مرا چرا دوزی کردین؟ Why did you steal my shoe? دوزی کردن is to steal. پس بوت ما بتین. Give my book again or give it back to me. Alright everybody, that is the story for today. Hopefully you enjoyed today's story. We'll make more videos like these. So if you like, you can the like button and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to study with us, you can also check out our website, as I said earlier, at www.gaplanguages.com for more private lessons. So we have expert instructors. And we have also a lot of materials. We have a Dari syllabus for our students who want to study with us. So yeah, thank you again and take care. Khuda Hafiz.